Good day, everyone. Today I want to talk about something that most lenders completely overlook, and that is profit. When business owners want to increase profits, their first instinct is to grant just more loans. More customers, more agreements, more capital deployed, more growth. And while growth is important, it isn't always the fastest way to increase your profitability. In fact, some lenders are sitting on opportunities to dramatically improve profits without granting a single additional loan. How? By reducing losses. One of the biggest mistakes lenders make is focusing entirely on the income side of the equation while ignoring the loss side. Let's think about this for a moment. Imagine your business generates 100,000 Rand in profit every month. Now imagine you improve your collection by just 5%. You reduce write-offs, you reduce failed collections, you recover more overdue accounts, you reduce fraud. That small improvements could increase your profit significantly without spending a cent on marketing or acquiring new customers. Why? Because every Rand you save drops directly to your bottom line. You don't need to earn it again. You don't need to lend it out again. You simply keep more of what you've already earned. I've often found that the easiest profit to make is the profit you're currently losing. This is why successful lenders constantly look for leakages within their businesses. Where is the money slipping through the cracks? Let's start with missed debit orders. Many lenders simply accept failed collections as part of doing business. But every failed collection has a cause: incorrect banking details, insufficient funds, poor strike dates, expired mandates, customer disputes, technical failures. The question is not whether collections fail. The question is whether you are identifying the reasons and then fixing them. Even a small improvement in collection success rates can have a massive impact on the profitability over time. The next area to examine is failed collections and overdue accounts. Many businesses wait too long before taking action. The longer an account remains unpaid, the harder it becomes to recover. Successful lenders have clear collection processes. They know exactly what happens on day 1, day 7, day 14, and day 30. They don't leave collections to chance. They follow a system. Consistency produces results. Then there are write-offs. Every write-off represents capital that may never return to your business. Most lenders look at write-offs as a cost of doing business. I look at them as lessons. Every single write-off should be investigated. What happened? Could that loss have been prevented? Was affordability assessed correctly? Were warning signs ignored? Was the customer properly verified? Every write-off contains valuable information that can improve future lending decisions. Now let's talk about fraud. Fraud is one of the most expensive hidden costs in the microfinance industry. Many lenders only calculate direct fraud losses, but the real cost is much higher. You lose capital, you lose staff time, you lose collection resources, you lose growth opportunities. One fraudulent loan can wipe out the profit from several good loans. This is why verification, fraud prevention, and customer screening are not expenses. They are absolute investments. The strongest lender focus heavily on reducing fraud before it enters the business. Now here's the important point. Growth without control creates bigger problems. Many lenders become obsessed with growth. They want larger loan books, more branches, more customers, more consultants. But if your systems are leaking money, growth simply magnifies the problem. Imagine trying to fill a bucket that has holes in the bottom. You can pour more water into it, but until you fix the holes, you'll continue losing water. the same principle applies to your lending business. Before you focus on growth, focus on efficiency. Before you focus on expansion, focus on control. Before you focus on granting more loans, focus on maximizing the performance of the loans you've already granted. The most successful lenders understand that profitability is not only about increasing income, it's also about reducing your losses. Because every rand saved is a rand earned. And often, the quickest way to increase profits is not by working harder, it's by operating much smarter. So my challenge to you today is simple. Review your business. You need to look at your collection success rates, your failed debit orders, your write-off, your fraud losses, your overdue accounts. Find the leaks, then fix those leaks and watch what happens to your profitability. Because successful lenders don't just grow revenue, they protect profit. Thank you for joining me today, and I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow.